Hello my dear students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 6 whose topic is our body. So children, we are all aware of our bodies, isn't it? There are different parts in our body and every part has specific function to carry out. These parts help us to carry out our different activities in our day-to-day lives. So under this topic, we are going to learn about the names of different parts of our body and their functions. So children, let's start. Human body is made up of many parts. Each part of our body has a different name and a function. As I told you before that human body is made up of many different parts and all the parts have their specific function. For example, we have our hands and fingers. These fingers help us to write things, hold things, okay? Similarly, we have eyes, we have nose, we have ears, and all these parts have different functions to carry out. For example, eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear. Children, can you see by your nose? No. We cannot see by our nose, but we can smell with our nose and we can see with our eyes. So children, now let's move on. Our body parts help us. We use our hands to eat, write and hold things. So children, our hands help us to eat our own food. If our hands are not present with us, or if we are hurt in our hand, we got an injury in our hand, then we are not able to eat, isn't it? So hands and fingers help us to eat our own food and write the things and hold the things, okay? So fingers and hands have their specific function, okay? Our neck help us the head to move, okay? So this neck is like a revolving chair. It can revolve in any direction you wish to except backwards, isn't it? So our neck help our head to move from one side to the other. So neck is one of the most important part of our body which enables us to look all around us at a particular time, okay? If we are not able to move our neck, then we have to look straight only and this will become much difficult to survive. When we cross roads, then we are told by our elders that always look on the both sides and then only cross the road. We can do this activity with the help of our neck, okay? So always neck help us to revolve our head from one side to the other, okay? Now next, we use our legs to walk, run, skip and kick. Now after neck, moving on to our next body part, which is legs. Legs help us to move from one place to the other. You come from home to the school and again go back to home from school. This you can do only because you can move with the help of your legs. Children, can trees move from one place to other? No, they cannot because they don't have legs to move from one place to other. That's why they stand in only one particular place. But animals and human beings like us, we all have our legs, and which enables us to move from one place to the other. So children, after legs, we have some sense organs. What do you mean by sense organs, children? Sense organs are some special organs which are present in our body and help us to detect or sense some special things happening all around us. These sense organs are very important in our body, without whom survival becomes very difficult. So, under this topic of sense organs, we will be learning about the names of sense organs, the types of sense organs and their functions. So, there are total 5 sense organs in our body. There are total 5 sense organs in our body which enables us to feel or realize or see some special activities going around us. Okay, without whose presence we will not be able to realize what is going around us. Okay, so let's see how many types of sense organs are there and what are their specific functions. Number 1, eyes. Blink your eyes, children. Yes, eyes enables us to see. So eyes help us to see all the things present all around us, isn't it? Without the help of eyes, we will not be able to see what is going on around us, what are the things present all around us, isn't it? So if we close our eyes, will we be able to see the different things? No. Opening our eyes only, we can see the things. Okay? Next, we have ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds. When you are called by your name in the classroom or your mother calls you from the kitchen by your name, you respond to it, isn't it? Why? Because you can hear the sound of your name. That's why we can realize that someone is calling. So we can do this only with the help of our ears. So ears help us to hear. Next, nose. This tiny little nose present in our face help us to smell different things, isn't it? When your mother cooks a favorite dish of yours in the kitchen and she wants to give you a surprise, but you know beforehand only. How do you know? If you are present in the home, you can get the smell of your favorite dish and you become more hungry, isn't it? So you can get the smell of your favorite dish only with the help of your tiny little nose present in your face. So nose help us to smell different things. Okay? Next, we have tongue. All of us have tongue. Some of us loves eating fast food, pizzas, burgers. Some loves to eat chocolates. Okay, but none of us love to eat bitter gourd, do we? But we should eat bitter gourd. Why? Because it gives us strength. Okay, so we know the taste of chocolate is sweet and the taste of bitter gourd is bitter. We know this only with the help of our tongue. So tongue help us to taste different things. Without the help of the tongue, we will not be able to taste different things. Okay, all the things will be taste similar without the help of the tongue. Okay, next we have skin. So skin help us to feel different things, to feel the hotness or the coldness of a particular thing. When you touch ice, you feel cold, isn't it? Why? Because your skin helps us to feel the coldness of the ice. When you touch any hot glass of milk, okay, and you immediately remove your hand. Why? Because you feel the hotness of the milk, and this happens only because of the presence of the skin all around our body. So skin is the largest sense organ present in our body, and it helps us to feel. So children, let's revise once more. There are total 5 sense organs in our body. These 5 sense organs help us to feel or see some special activities. Now let's name them the sense organs. Now let's name the sense organs. These are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And all these 5 sense organs have different functions to carry out. These are: eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel. So children, I hope this topic is clear to all of you. In the next class, we will be continuing with this topic in details. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.